Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can disable Roblox private servers. So to do that, you are going to go to your Roblox page, go to the more section, then go to the inventory page. Select servers, which is here, select private servers, Select my private servers. Select the one that you want to disable. I'm going to select this one. Then I'm going to select the create private server here. Close this. Select this private server. Select the three dots here. Select configure. Then on the private server, you're going to just disable these. And then it's going to now be hidden and it's going to be disabled. That's how you can disable private servers. Unfortunately, you can't just delete them, but you can disable them. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.